What a cane
Hey.
for?
School's out. Time to go out in the garage, learn something useful.
Yeah.
You comfortable?
Yeah, I'm very comfortable.
You got Wi-Fi?
Yes, I
Is
do.
that all you need in life?
Yeah.
What are we doing today?
We're gonna finish up the demo.
Finish up the demo? Get this over with?
Let's get to it.
Let's get to it. We haven't drained the oil. I don't know if there is oil. If it doesn't work one way, you flip it over and do it the other way. See this? I need to tighten it and turn it. Go for it. Pull this black handle that way. Just unscrew it like that. Keep pulling. Be strong. Keep going. There you go. I'll take another bite. Now bring it back this way. Oh, that's loose. Use your fingers now. Yeah, there you go.
Holy cow.
There's some oil in it. Just let it drip drain. Here, you probably should put your gloves on, huh?
Yeah.
Or maybe
Oily.
Now, hold it good, because it's going to be heavy.
Is.
Yeah, I just don't want you to drop it all over. So once you get it, you just flip it upside down in that oil pan. Keep spinning. There's lots of spins.
She is slippery, so it makes it hurt.
Yeah. Get ready to hold on. It's about to come off. If you drop it, it's not a big deal. Just gonna start using your muscles down here. You're not gonna hurt anything, Craig.
I know, but it's harder because it's slippery.
You're getting it. Okay, there you go. Flip it upside down. Just set her down in there. Right there. Just set it down. There you go. That's gonna suck. The oil plug's in the back. And we're gonna make a mess. Oh, there's your doggy. Okay, yeah. See that? That's the plug for the oil. Oh, you got it. First try. Oops. Take the wrench off and use your fingers. And we'll try to catch it in this. But this isn't going to go so well. Oh. Yeah. We got her. At least there wasn't a bunch of water coming out first, so that's good. You never know. This is a junkyard motor. Hopefully it was running when they junked it. Let's loosen all these up. We'll pull the push rods out and we'll try to start taking these heads out. There you go. Now do the next one. That's good. Let me show you an old-timer trick.
What?
Now, they say it doesn't matter about these anymore, but I like to keep everything in the exact same spot it used to be. So here are your 4 pistons on this side. See, 1, 2. This is where we're going to put those rods right here in each one. So this is number 1. So when we put it back together, it goes right in the same spot. So watch. Pull this guy out. Put it right in there. See? And we'll do that the whole way, and then we'll do it on the other side, and then they go in the same spot. They say it doesn't matter anymore, but you can't trust everything on Google's, right? That's what Grandpa showed me. So it's not gonna hurt anything to do it. Alright?
Okay.
You filming? Well, thanks for contributing today, sir. Alright, ready to pull this head off? You want me to break them all loose? Looks like there's a couple bolts in the middle, and then some down here, and I think there's some up top too. We'll have to dig them up. I'll break them loose. Yow! Now these bolts, these are junk after we use them. They're only one-time use.
Oh.
So we gotta buy more. Ready to pull these apart? You ready to see your first piston? Okay, it's good. I left a bolt in there just for the heck of it. You ready? Did I get you?
Yeah, he did. You did. You very good.
Almost.
It's a piston. Oh.
What about down here?
Oh, I get it. It's more like up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down.
That's good. Ready?
It's gonna be fun.
Watch your legs.
Wow! 2 pistons.
Oh, these aluminum heads are so light. Dreamy. How's it look?
Pretty good.
Go up and down?
Yeah.
Oh. See, that's how your car runs. You got a little gas in there,
Cool.
and light the fire, and it goes boom. Birdie, I think we got a good one, bud. You want to turn it? See the chain going around?
Yeah.
It's on the front. That's why you gotta get some muscles. Eat more than noodles. It's still heavy. Let your dog drink that, okay?
Yeah, I will. Why will that kill her?
She'll die. Alright, one last thing. Let's pull this oil pan right here, all the way around the edge. And a couple on the side. Let's see if you can pop that off. Oh yeah. There's a pickup tube in there somewhere. Watch your fingers. Right? Oh yeah. What do you think? Are we done for the day?
Yeah.
Yeah. And then that's it for the demo. Now we just clean and paint and put back together, right?
Thank goodness I got
What about you? Are you done working?
Yeah.
Yeah, looks like it.
Bye, guys.
See ya.
Okay.
See ya. Hi.
Oh, you only got one glove on so far? Jesus!
What the
Man, it's like 2 hours into the day and you got one glove on. If your mom dressed you. I think it's a problem. Your mom dresses you, you don't know how to do it. I know those gloves are difficult. Especially because it's not
I'm so pretty difficult.
in your toolbox, okay? Easy on the Pepsi fuller.
Where's the hole in here? Yo, that's so cool.
Why is that so tight? Wow! That's ridiculous. Who horse that on there? That ain't right. That ain't right, son. Someone's an asshole. You don't do that to your oil plug.